Hi guys, it's Ashley out here Inventions, your favorite protective styles and wellness coach. And it took me many failed relationships to realize this. I didn't fully love myself. Yeah, there I go. I said it. As much as I was dolled up and looking nice and accomplished a lot of things and even had people inspired by me, I deep down realized I didn't love myself. And how I come to that conclusion is because I did some reflection, right? Reflection on relationships I had and why they didn't work out. Not only just dating relationships, but friendships and things like that, where people wither away. It's like, what in the world? One, for me not loving myself because the relationships weren't always healthy, right? It kind of was like go with the flow kind of relationships. So you know what I mean is when you have one thing in common, then you just kind of connect, and then you both probably feel like because we've been connected so long, we're just going to stay connected, but we really don't have, we're not helping each other elevate, right? So what are we hanging on to? Two, um, just realizing, my goals in life and where I'm trying to go, and then looking at my relationships and seeing that they're not even going in the right or the same direction I'm going in. We're unequally yoked. The Bible says, don't be unequally yoked. Is somebody going to pull somebody down, or somebody going to stay stagnant? And so that's what also made me realize, like, okay, like, what else do we enjoy together? Like, as friends, as partners, like, because we both like the same song, we both like to dance. Like, it literally was small stuff like that. And then the third thing is intentionality. I think for me, it was so much. That's why I'm trying my best to not live in the world, because a lot of stuff with me was physical. Like, it looked good, or with my emotions, I should say. If it looked good, it felt good, it tastes good, it was fun, I was in it. And we both like the same thing. We besties or we friends. And it needs to be deeper than that. So anyway, those are the things that I realized after having failed relationships, that I need to love me more. And when I love me, somebody's gonna love me just the same, or if not more, because I'm already showing love to myself, right? So then that's kind of how you treat people to treat you. And then having more in common as far as being able to grow with one another. And then the third thing is being intentional about all relationships, right? Like, how can I pour into them, and how can they pour into me, and how could we grow together? And so I just wanted to share that. And you guys, take a self-reflection, or take a reflection over your life and your relationships, and comment below and let me know if you came up with something that was like, yo, some relationships I'm just holding on to, or yeah, this is actually a good relationship. We do pour into each other. I love to hear it.